Okay, this is the TI-36X Pro. Let's find the median using the built-in feature in the calculator. We know that if we cancel these, the median is 3. So let's check. What we do is we click on Data. I want to delete these columns, so I press Data again. And I go all the way down to Clear, All. There it is. Then I enter my data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you're not familiar with deleting or putting the information in the columns, just go back to my YouTube channel and then just find those under TI-36X Pro videos, and you'll see that how to enter this information. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the light blue key because I want stat distribution. So, second, data. And this is one variable, by the way. It's one variable. So one variable statistics. We'll go there. Okay. As you can see, it's L1. Now, L1 is the first column for X, and there's no frequency, so we'll just leave it at 1. And then calculate. And now, what we'll do is we'll scroll down. As you can see, the mean is 3, if we want that. But if we scroll down here, median equals 3. So we got it.